Hello and welcome back to Igbo Online College. No, not Igbo Online College. I'm Bugom Sinachi. In today's video again, I'm going to talk about some Igbo proverbs that I think are no longer relevant. Do you think every Igbo proverb is still relevant? Do you think? Okay, let's analyze these two proverbs and see. Are they still relevant? What do you think? Ụwa mgbede ka mma. Ụwa mgbede ka mma. Ụwa mgbede ka mma. Mike Ejaga, hey, I love you. Now, ụwa mgbede ka mma. That is an Igbo proverb. It means life is better in the evening. Life is better in the evening. Okay. Yes, life is better in the evening. The world better in the evening. World or better in the evening. So life is better in the evening. Is it still applicable in today's world? Mgbede is the evening of one's life. That's what it means. Owa mgbede. Evening. Evening of one's life. Is life better in the evening of one's life? It is a question. Do you think life is better in the evening of one's life? What do you think? Okay, let's even talk in the reality of what we know happens today. Let me assume you were super rich in the morning of your life, afternoon of your life, and you didn't manage it well in the evening of your life. As in, go date. What happens is the evening really kama. Is it better? Okay. Do we even talk of if people nowadays no longer live that long? I don't know. Is it in this part of the world or is it a world thing? I don't know. When I was little, when somebody dies, it's usually so sober, so solemn. It's a very solemn moment. Like you see this fear, but now, bro, person die, person buy, you don't buy. In fact, you see people bring out their cameras and taking pictures, photos. I don't know what. Anyway, so my question is, do people even live long to the evening of their lives? Some people in the evening of their lives, they are very sick. In the light of all these, one way don't come. Is life better in the evening? Or in the morning or in the afternoon? When do you think life is better? Another proverb that I don't think still applies to us today is, okay, to some people, let me just exonerate some. To some people, it doesn't apply at all. The proverb is, Aronangu erie nando. Aronangu erie nando. Aronangu erie nando. If you toil in the sun, under the sun, you eat under the shade. You eat in the shade. You toil in the sun, eat in the shade. That's what the proverb means, literally. Now, my question is, does it still apply to some people? Some people actually, naru nando, neili nando. Hey, sisterly. Some people na lokwanu nando, neili nando. Hey, no, see. Some people, they work for shade. They still chop for shade. They know they comot for sun. Oh. Hey, remember, these proverbs, they were coined, they were said when predominantly Igbo people were farmers. Any kind of farmers and traders mostly. So now that people are going into tech, medicine, and so many jobs that won't even take you outside your room. Talk more of under the sun. Now. You're gonna tell me no, nothing. No, nothing. It doesn't apply to everybody now. Some people na-arụ na ndo, na-eri na ndo. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's share our thoughts. Remember to follow, like, comment, share. And we can handle all your Igbo learning needs. Hit us up on igboonlinecollege@gmail.com. And let's hold your hand in your Igbo learning journey. For we are capable. Kemesia.